Happy day 8 of Vlogmas, friends. Today has been one of those busy back-to-back meeting days at work and after work. It was a day that literally went by in a blur, and I'm just getting home now, still needing to make dinner, prep for tomorrow, and do a little work. But I wanted to be sure I got a little something to you too. So instead of chatting on camera, I thought I'd bring you along and share a few bits of the day with you. Since I haven't had much time to knit today, I thought I'd talk about something we all need to remember. Not every day has to be a big making day. Sometimes creativity looks like 2 rows on your shawl. Sometimes it's winding a mini. Or it's just thinking about the next color choice while you're stuck in traffic. Our advent shawl is growing slowly but beautifully, and honestly, I kind of love that I'm not rushing it. The colors are guiding the pace, and I'm trusting the process. I'm finishing up day 6 yet, but I have that pattern down and will add it to the description soon. Day 7 will be another garter section, and day 8, well, I do have that one planned already. I was able to take some time over the weekend and plan a few stitches and days ahead. And since it is Vlogmas, of course we're opening our advents. Even on busy days, this feels like such a treat. A little spark of color and joy waiting for us at the end of the day. And again, today, more beautiful colors we were able to open. As I settle into the evening, I'm reminding myself, and maybe you too, that our making doesn't have to be big or impressive to matter. A small stitch, a quiet moment, a deep breath, that can be enough. Thanks for spending this Monday with me, friends. I know this is short. I will be back with you tomorrow, but I'd love to hear what's one tiny creative moment you found in your day today. I'll see you tomorrow for day 9. Good night.